This summer, a mystery is being revealed. A conspiracy to keep locked the secret to the universe. A legendary cube with limitless power and a gateway to another dimension. Only the hero's thumbprint and a special code will unlock the cube. But the hero must survive, or the universe is doomed. Only alien ruins contain carvings of the elusive 9 passwords. Nine passwords. 1 thumbprint. The Intergalactic Cube, coming to a theater near you. Listen carefully. We're currently being attacked. We're taking damage. In a few minutes, this vessel will be boarded by the enemy. I'm in a hidden compartment, but it's only a matter of time. If you're watching this, then my androids must have somehow delivered this communication to you safely. You must unlock the artifact. I know you weren't able to before, but one of my crew obtained the proper sequence to the legendary 9 passwords. We thought that the stone tablet was a clue with an ancient complex hidden algorithm. My analysts have determined that it was just a simple vertical list. This data chip contains that list. I'm uploading it now. Using a replicator, I was able to create a mock-up of the ancient cube. I spent years perfecting this design. It should be nearly identical to the ancient cube that you now possess. Please pay attention, as the universe is at stake. They've boarded, now it's just a matter of time. Hold the cube like this, with the yellow side up. Now, turn it to any side and just look. For instance, these corners are green and orange. If you do this correctly, if you unlock the cube correctly, these 2 colors will match. Right now it's green and orange, they need to match. Over here, same with this, blue and green, these don't match either. So what we need to do is find one that matches. Here we go. So we've got 2 reds. This is a matching side, this side is done. So we're going to take it to the red side. Take the top, and now it's on its own side. This is the most completed side. You always take the most completed side and you move it to the back. If you don't have a most completed side, don't worry, just move on to the next part here. Place your thumb on the left side. There is a biometric scanner here. Since you are the hero, it will unlock and allow you to turn the cube around your thumb. But you must do this in the right order. Start with the right side. We always start the sequence on the right side. Then we go to the bottom of your thumb. Then we come back here and then go to the top, and it'll just keep going forever around your thumb. But this pattern starts with right, then the bottom, and then comes back to the right and the top, and again it just keeps on going around your thumb. Now we just need to apply those ancient passwords. Counter. Clock. Counter. Flip. Clock. Counter. Counter. Flip. Flip. Now these 2 corners are matching. They're both orange. So take them to the orange side. Now these corners are matching. These are matching. This is the proper result. You can't get this wrong or the cube will self-destruct. So here is another example. I've taken my replicated cube and I put it in the same position that your ancient cube is currently in. Notice again, the colors don't match on the corners, and we need them to match. So here's the blue. So we have found 2 of them that match. These 2 blue match. So we're going to take them to the blue side. Now this blue side is the most completed side of the cube. So we're going to make sure it is in the back. The blue is in the back. It is the most completed side. If you don't have the most completed side, if they all are just none of them match, then don't worry, just continue. So the most completed side is back here, and now you're going to put your thumb here, and we're going to apply those ancient 9 passwords, starting with the right side and then coming down, and then going around. Counter, clock, counter, flip, clock, counter, counter, flip, flip. Okay, now we have 2 oranges here. Let's take it to the orange side. And now all the sides are correct. These match, these corners match. This is the proper result. Oh no, I thought I had more time. They found me. I don't know how, but they found me. Run for it, Morty!